what is mean by similarity? The state of being. The state of being like something but not exactly same. Example, photo of Taj Mahal and actual Taj Mahal are similar to each other but not exactly same measurement wise. Another example is what? Two equilateral triangles. One is bigger and another is small. So these two triangles are similar to each other. Okay. Another point is what? Ratio and proportion. So what is mean by ratio? Numerator upon denominator is called ratio. This line we can say that is ratio. And what is proportion? If two ratios equal, we can say that they are in proportion. For example, 16 upon 20 and 4 upon 5. If you divide 16 upon 20, what will get? 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 upon 5 will get. It means that 16 upon 20 is equal to 4 upon 5. So we can say that these two ratios are in proportion. Here 16 upon 20 is one ratio and 4 upon 5 is another ratio. If two ratios are equal, we can say that they are in proportion. Another is what? Area of triangle. You know that the formula of area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. You are very familiar with this formula. So area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. So what is mean by base? What is mean by base and height? Suppose this is the triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, BC is the base and the altitude which is perpendicular to the base, that is AD, is height. Okay, means BC is the base and AD is the height. ADS. That base is always not at the bottom. Sometimes it may be on the upper side. And to understand, suppose take a triangle PQR. In this PM, altitude PM is the height and QR is the base. Through this sign, we will come to know that this is the height. This is what? Height. And QR is the base. So this sign will identify you the height and base of the triangle. So I hope you understand what is base and what is height of the triangle. We'll move ratio of area of two triangles. So as you know that ratio means numerator upon denominator. So we have to divide the area of two triangles, and we know that area of triangle is half into base into height. Suppose take an example in triangle ABC. BC is the base, AD is the height. In triangle ABC, AD is the height and BC is the base. You already written here. BC is the base and AD is the height of triangle ABC. In triangle PQR, take another triangle. PQR, that perpendicular to the base PM. Here QR is the base and PM is the height. So QR is the base, PM is the height. Find out the ratio of area of two triangle. So this line means ratio. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Point to be noted, this line means ratio of area of two triangle is equal to, as you know that area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So here we will write half into base of triangle ABC is BC and height of triangle ABC is AD. Ratio area of triangle PQR is half into base of triangle PQR is QR and height is PM. So here 1 by 2 cut. What remain? BC into AD upon QR into PM. Means ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. Hence, the ratio of area of two triangle, the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. Move to the another property. This one is our first property. It should be always remember the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. Condition 1, if the height of both triangle are similar, then ratio of area of two triangle we have to be find out. Here we have triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles have similar height, and now we have to find out the ratio of these two triangles. So ratio means this line, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to what? Height H into base BC, height H into base QR. Why here is H? Because these two triangles have same height. So instead of AD and instead of PM, H, because of same height. So now I can cut this H. So we can say that BC upon QR. The ratio of area of two triangles, with equal height, is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Condition 2, if the bases of both the triangle is similar, then the ratio of area of two triangle. Here triangle ABC and triangle PBC have the common base BC, and we have to find out the ratio of these two triangles. Ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PBC is equal to ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height AD and PM. Here AD is the height of triangle ABC and PM is the height of triangle PBC. As per the property of 1, in property 1 we have learned that ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. Here is base is similar, that base will be cut. What remain? Height remain, AD upon PM. So here we can say that H1 upon H2. So ratio of area of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. अगर दो ट्रायंगल का बेस सेम है तो उनका एरिया का रेशो इक्वल रहेगा उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट के रेशो से. इफ द हाइट एंड bases of both triangle are similar, then क्या होगा? हाइट भी सेम है और बेस भी सेम है. सपोज टेक अ ट्रायंगल ABC. Here midpoint of BC is what? D, and AD is the median. AD is the median. Because of common vertices of triangle ABD and ADC have the equal height AM, means height of triangle ABD and ADC is same AM. Why? Because these two triangles having the same vertex and bases are collinear. And what about the base? Due to median, that AD is the median of triangle ABC, that BD is equal to DC, means base also equal. So at that time ratio of area of triangle ABD and triangle ADC is equal to, as per the property of ratio of area of two triangle, ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases BD upon DC into corresponding height, that is AM upon AM. Here BD is equal to DC. Why? Because segment AD is median of triangle ABC. AD is the median of triangle ABC. Because of that BD is equal to DC. So this will be cut. What remain? 1 remain. So we can say that area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is equal to 1. Area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ADC. Means when height and bases of both triangle are similar, then the area of two triangle are equal to each other, means their ratio is unity. In property 1 what we have learned, the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. This was our first property. By using this property we are proving condition 1. In condition 1, what we have, if the height of both the triangle equal, then the ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Means what? If the height of both the triangle are equal, then their ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. What will be the property? The ratio of area of two triangle with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. And next condition is what? Condition 2. In that bases are equal and height is different, then what will be the ratio of area of two triangle? So when the basis is common and height is different, ratio of area of two triangle with common bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. अगर हाइट इक्वल है तो एरिया का रेशो बेस के रेशो के इक्वल होगा. अगर बेस इक्वल है तो एरिया का रेशो खाली हाइट के रेशो के इक्वल होगा. अगर दोनों भी इक्वल है, कंडीशन 3 में हमने देखा है, मीन्स रेशो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल विथ इक्वल हाइट एंड बेसिस is equal to unity. So we can say that the area of two triangle with equal height and bases is equal to each other. Means कोई भी ट्रायंगल है उसका हाइट और बेस अगर इक्वल है तो उनका एरिया क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा. The ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. Property 2. Ratio of area of two triangle with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Property 3. Ratio of area of two triangle with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. Property 4. If the height and bases of both triangle are equal, then the area of two triangle are equal. We have proven here. Practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Base of triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10, height is 6. Find the ratio of area of these two triangle. क्वेश्चन हमको क्या बता रहा है कि दो ट्रायंगल है, उनका एरिया का रेशियो निकालना है. हमको दिया है बेस और हाइट, बेस और हाइट, लेकिन उन ट्रायंगल के नेम्स हमारे पास नहीं है. सो वी हैव टू बी कंसीडर let the bases of triangle be B1 and B2 and the height H1 and H2 respectively. Let the bases of triangle be B1 and B2 and the height H1 and H2 respectively. So here delta 1 and delta 2 are two triangles. What we have to find out? Ratio of area of two triangles. In triangle 1, B1 is 9 and H1 is 5. Triangle 2, B2 is 10 and H2 is 6. The ratio of area of triangle 1 and triangle 2 is equal to ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height as per the property of 1. Ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases and corresponding height. So put the value, get the answer. 9 into 5 upon 10 into 6. So divide it. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9. What remains? 3 1 the 3, 2 the 4. What remains? 3 upon 4 remains. Now practice set 1.1, second question. Here BC is perpendicular to AB. BC is perpendicular to AB and AD is perpendicular to AB. BC is how much? 4. BC is how much? 4 unit. This BC is 4 unit and AD is how much? 8 units. What we have to find out? Ratio of area of triangle ABC and ADC. So triangle ABC is this and ADB is this. Sorry. Ratio of area of triangle ABC and ADB. Sorry. So ADB is this triangle. These two triangles have common base AB. These two triangles have common base AB, and this will be height of both triangles. Means BC is the height of triangle ABC and AD is the height of triangle ADB. Triangle, now solution, triangle ABC and triangle ADB have common base AB. Common base AB. Now by property third, ratio of area of two triangle with common base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. मीन्स अगर दो ट्रायंगल है उसका बेस अगर कॉमन है तो उनका एरिया का रेशो इक्वल रहेगा रेशो ऑफ देयर करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट. सो हियर ratio of area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ADB. Here ratio of area of triangle ABC and ADB is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. So ABC की हाइट है BC और ADB की हाइट है AD. We can write triangle having common base. This sum will come for 2 marks only. So no need to be write this property. Just remember this property and this statement you have to be write it while solving this sum. So you know the value of BC and AD. Put that value. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to BC is how much? 4. AD is how much? 8. So divide it. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So 1/2. So this is our answer. Write down this. Now practice set 1.1 third sum. In triangle PQR have two bases and two height. If we consider QR as the base, height will be PS. If we consider PR as the base, height will be QT. I already told that key on the base on which the height is, that altitude is perpendicular, we can say that altitude is the height. And okay, so in triangle PQR, okay, when base is equal to QR, when base is equal to QR, height will be PS. When base is equal to PR, height is equal to QT. Height is equal to QT. Okay, so it is given to us, and we have to find out QT. So what we have? Area of triangle. What is the formula of area of triangle? Half into base into height. Half into base into height. So we have to find out the QT. We have to find out the area of triangle PQR, and through that we can find out segment QT. Here, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base. If you consider QR as the base, height will be PS. Again, area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base is when we will consider PR as the base, height will be QT. So this QT we can find out by using this. So this is equation 1, equation 2. So here is triangle PQR on left hand side. So we can, triangle, area of triangle PQR equal to area of triangle PQR. Okay, then half into QR into PS. QR is equal to half into QR into PS. Half into QR into PS. Then again area of triangle is half into PR into QT. So half into PR into QT. Now put the value, okay, to get the QT. So this half will get cancelled. What remain? QR into PS is equal to PR into QT remain. Now put the value. So QR is how much? 6 is here. PS is also 6. PR is how much? 12. QT remain as it is because we don't have QT, and QT we have to find out here. So to get QT, we have to move this constant term on other side. Here 12 is in multiplication. If you move there, it will go in division, means in denominator. Okay. If you move here, it should be in denominator. So now do the division. 6 1 is 6 to the 12. 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. So 3 1 is 3. So here QT is 3 and QT is equal to 3 unit. This is our answer. Now, fourth term. In this term, means in adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular to BC and BC is parallel to AD is given. And what we have to find out? Area of triangle ABC raised to area of triangle BCD. So, triangle ABC and triangle BCD are between two parallel lines, means height will be the equal, and both triangles have common base BC. That means base is also equal. So these two triangles should be equal to each other, but we have to prove it. Let's solve that term. Here triangle ABC and triangle BCD is between two parallel lines. Hence, distance between two parallel lines is same. Therefore, the height of both triangles is same. That is AP. That is AP. In triangle ABC and triangle BCD, common base is BC. BC is the common base, and height is AP. Therefore, area of triangle ABC raised to means division. This means division. So we can write this line, area of triangle BCD. So it means that it is the ratio of area of two triangles, and as per the property of ratio of area of two triangles, the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases. So bases is common, that is BC, ratio of the product of their bases, and corresponding height. So height is also same, AP. So what we will get, we will cancel this, we will get 1 upon 1 means area of triangle ABC. This division we can write raised to area of triangle BCD equal to as it is what we get, 1 raised to 1. This is our answer. This is our answer. Now, practice set 1.1 fifth sum. In the adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC, and we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle PQB and triangle PBC, ratio of area of triangle PBC and triangle ABC, ratio of area of triangle ABC and triangle ADC, ratio of area of triangle ADC and triangle PQB. So let's solve one by one. Now we will solve question number 5, sub question number 1. Here triangle PQB and triangle PBC, triangle PQB and triangle PBC have common height PQ, have common height PQ, and we know that property number 2 is by condition 1. By condition 1, ratio of area of two triangle. By condition 1, ratio of area of two triangle with equal height is equal to their corresponding bases, means जिस ट्रायंगल का हाइट इक्वल होता है उनका एरिया का रेशियो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग बेस के इक्वल रहता है. हियर ट्रायंगल PQB and PQB and PBC have common height PQ, therefore their ratio of triangle is correspond to their bases. So ratio of area of triangle PQB and triangle PBC is equal to corresponding bases, ratio of their corresponding bases. So basis for PQB base is BQ and for PBC base is BC. By property triangle having common height, common or equal height. You can write here these properties. Is no need to write here. You can, only this statement is enough to write. So this is our proof of sub question number 1. Now we will solve sub question number 2. In sub question number 2, we have to find out the ratio of area of triangle PBC and ABC. So triangle PBC and ABC have common base BC. So we will use the condition number 2. Property of condition number 2. So what is condition number 2? Ratio of area of two triangle with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. So triangle PBC and triangle ABC have common base BC, and as per the condition 2, so here base is equal, therefore ratio of area of triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. So we will write ratio of area of triangle PBC and triangle ABC is equal to the ratio of their corresponding height. So PBC height is PQ, and for ABC height is AD. We can write the property triangle having equal bases. Triangle having equal base or common base, you can write any one. So here is our proof. Now we will solve sub question number 3. Sub question 3rd, in that ratio of area of triangle ABC and ADC we have to be find out. ABC and ADC we have to find out. So in ABC and ADC, these two triangles have common height AD. Okay, so we know that ratio of area of two triangles with equal height is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases by condition 1. So write down sub question number 3rd. Triangle ABC and triangle ADC and ADC have equal height. Therefore ratio of area of two triangle with equal height is equal to ratio of their corresponding bases. Okay, so now ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. The triangle ABC and ADC have common height AD, therefore the ratio of area of triangle ABC and ADC is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So ABC have base BC, triangle ABC have base BC, and triangle ADC have base DC. You can write here the property triangle having equal height, triangle having equal height, therefore their ratio is correspond to their bases. Therefore ratio of area of triangle correspond to their bases. Write down this. We'll move to the sub question number 4. Now sub question number 4. Here triangle ADC and PQC, ADC and PQC. In ADC and PQC there is no any common thing, so by means ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of their bases, product of ratio of their bases and corresponding height. So by property number 1, what is property number 1? Ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. Ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. Okay, here because these two triangles don't have any common thing, triangle ADC and triangle PQC don't have any common thing, therefore ratio of area of triangle ADC and triangle PQB don't have any common thing, therefore their ratio is equal to the ratio of the product of their bases. ADC have base DC and PQC have base QC. Product of their bases and corresponding height. ADC have height AD and PQC have height PQ. Okay, by property of ratio of area of two triangle. Property of ratio of area of two triangle. Okay, so write down this by property 1. I hope you understand. Now practice set 1.1 is finish. We will start our theorem in next lecture. Okay.